Hey guys, Mr. Gallo here. It is Friday, April 17th. We're doing a lesson on box plots. This is the second time I'm making this video. The first video would not upload to YouTube. So I'm making it again, trying to make it a little bit shorter so that I can get it out to you guys because I know this might be a confusing lesson. Okay, so here's the key with this lesson. We have to take the data that's given to us and we have to put it in order from least to greatest. And we have to use that data to find 5 points. Once I find those 5 points, I can put those points on the number line and create a box plot. Sometimes they call it box and whisker plots, and you'll see why when we draw them, so you'll understand where that name comes from. The first one is number 1. We are using all this to get our 5 points. The median is the number in the middle. The median is 199. Then we are trying to find the first quartile. So the first quartile is the middle of the lower half of the data. So in the lower half of the data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So the middle would be here in between 193 and 196. So I would add those two together and divide it by 2 to get the middle of the first half of the data. 193 plus 196 divided by 2. So the first quartile is 194.5. And then if I want to find the middle of the upper half of the data, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of data. The middle is right here in between 209 and 217. I add them together and I divide by 2. 209 plus 217 divided by 2 is 213. And I've got 3 of the 5 points. My other 2 points are my maximum, my highest value, and my lowest value, which is my minimum. Draw a box plot. We start by making a number line. So we're going to go in intervals of 5. We're going to start at 165, and we're going to go all the way to 225, which would be right out here, 225. Now we're going to put our 5 points on there. 167, that's my min. My next number is 194.5, which would be right about here. My next number is my median, 199, which would be right about here. Then 213, right here. And my max is 221. Now I have 5 points along the number line, and I start to draw my boxes. I take the 3 in the middle. I use the 3 in the middle to make my boxes. So I draw a box from here to here. I draw another box from here to here. These are my middle quartiles. And then I draw my whiskers from the end of the box out to the highest number and another whisker here. That is a box plot or a box and whisker plot. We want to write 2 conclusions about the data. I'm going to say that the first conclusion is that the minimum and the first quartile are far away from each other. The min and first quartile are far away from each other. The other thing I'm going to get is my range. So my other point is my range, which is high minus low, 221 minus 167. 221 minus 167. So my range is 54. That's fact 1. That's fact 2, or 2 conclusions. On the second one, we're doing basically the same thing. The difference is now the data is not in order when they give it to you. So you have to put it in order. You always want to double check. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've done that correct. My median is the number in the middle, 8. My minimum is 6. My maximum is 10. And now I have to find my quartiles. So I'm going to look at half the data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my lower quartile is here. I use the 8 again to get the upper half of the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. The middle of the upper half of the data, the third quartile, is 9. So let's write it out to answer the questions. The median is 8, we said. The first quartile is 7. The third quartile is 9. Draw the box plot. Start with the number line 1 through 12. So we are drawing our box plot. So we've got 6. The next number is 7. The next number is 8. The third quartile is 9. And the max is 10. Boxes in the middle. And then whiskers out on the edge. And if we want two conclusions about the data, the range is 10 minus 6. The range is 4. And another conclusion is all the data is close together. This is not a very big range if the range is only 4 and every data point is only 1 away from each other. So those are my two conclusions for question 2. Question 3 and 4 go together. I have my data here. I start by putting in an order. My median, this one's interesting. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of data. So my median is actually a number that's not even in the data set. I've got to get the average of the two middle numbers. The median is here in between 9 and 11. 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So my median is 10. So my median is a number that's not even in the data set. My minimum is 4. My maximum is 16. So 4 and 16. Yep, 16. I'm going to add another number to our number line. And now we've got to find our quartiles. So half the data here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my lower quartile is 8. And then the other half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My other quartile is 14. 8 and 14. Got an 8 here. Got a 14 here. Now I can draw my boxes. Long box here. Short whisker at the end. And that's it for this lesson. Hopefully this video will upload fast, and I will see you guys next week. Have a good weekend. Bye.